Weather Authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, and here comes winter. These are air temperatures, not wind chills. 20 in Chicago, 4 in Minneapolis, and 14 below air temp at International Falls. The cold air is pouring south. Warm air and moist air is coming up on top of it, and that's setting the stage for a big winter storm across the nation's midsection. So first of all, far northern counties in Indiana, that is a winter weather advisory, 7P tomorrow to 7A Saturday. I think this will get extended in some of the other Indiana counties, but we'll see. And Illinois, the Weather Service office there has issued a winter weather advisory for all of our Illinois counties. From noon Friday till midnight Friday. For our Illinois counties, though, close to the Indiana border, our area, it'll be later in the day Friday. But anybody watching in Illinois, you are covered under a winter weather advisory. Now, here's what I'm thinking on timing on this, and we've been pretty steady on keeping it around 6P to midnight for a mess, meaning snow, sleet, freezing rain, and then it will change to rain. But any travel plans between midnight or 6 p.m. and midnight tomorrow could be a problem. It then goes to rain after about 1 to 2 a.m. on Friday night, Saturday morning. And then Sunday morning, sub-zero wind chills. Coldest of the season will follow that system as we enter into the second half of the weekend. We already saw the cold move in today. 33 the high, 26 the low, 65 the record high, 25 the record low. So back in 1977. No precipitation today. Don't expect anything until about this time tomorrow evening. That's about the earliest we'll see that. Sunrise, sunset tomorrow. 9 hours, 45 minutes of daylight. There's the river stage. It has crested in Terre Haute, now going back down, which is good news because there may be about a half to 3/4 of an inch of rain and melted snow and mess out of this system coming up. 30 at the airport, but northwest winds driving the wind chill down. The pressure is really high. 3071 as a cold Canadian high pressure moves into the area. That's supplying all of this cold air here at the surface, and you can see that. And what's going to happen is we're going to take all that cold air and throw this moisture up on top of it, and it's a classic setup when storms do that, initially with the snow, sleet, freezing rain, eventually change to rain for us, but it's that transition to the beginning part is going to be a problem. Already seeing some winter precip in the Texas-Oklahoma panhandles as it advances northward. Locally, not anything going on here. We'll see clouds on the increase later on tonight. So here's the details. Here's what we've got on the timing. Nothing tonight. Nothing during most of the daylight hours tomorrow. The clouds will thicken. By tomorrow evening around 6P, you can see just in our western counties, we start to see initially some snow. Then by, say, around 9 o'clock, band of what may be some pretty good snow in the Terre Haute area, and then sleet, freezing rain behind that. All of this should transition into rain at around 2 a.m. So, again, we're thinking 6P to midnight, give or take. That's the trouble time. Then it goes to rain, and behind that, the rain will end on Saturday, and then the colder weather moves in for Saturday night and into Sunday. How about as far as what we're looking at with rainfall? This could be a pretty good rain event. We're probably talking half to 3/4 of an inch of rain. So that's rain. Next, I want to show you ice, and this is what we want to watch out for. It doesn't take much to be a problem. A lot of the area will see nothing until after 6 p.m. Then as it starts to move in, we could be looking at light amounts, more so to the northwest, and on top of that, a little bit of snow as well. Not a lot, but you'll see a little bit of snow. So the bottom line, kind of messy tomorrow evening, but then changing to rain later tomorrow night. So here's your forecast for tonight then. We'll be looking for cold weather tonight. Temperatures will drop down. It looks like probably so around maybe a little 20 mark or so with partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow during the day, we're fine until evening. Winter mix moves in then. That changes to rain as we head into tomorrow night, Saturday. And get ready, cold weather to wrap up the weekend. That's your forecast. Sports right after the break.